Copyrights. Copyrights. Copyrights.
Copyrights. Copyrights.
Wait, uncopyrighted songs. Bro.
Put uncopyrighted. What does that mean, Subi?
Not copyrighted.
Yande.
Yeah, bro.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your life.
Welcome to the vlog, boys. Here we are.
Oh, Sabi, can you fix this? Oh, what's up, dudes?
Sabi.
This shit.
Oh, Subi.
You see how it's like hanging? I look like a whole condom, bro.
Oh, put this in?
Yeah, see if you can.
Bueno. So we're here today. We're working on Subi's. What's your car? A Volkswagen. So we're working on his Volkswagen. And yeah. Oh yeah, it's also April 1st and it's snowing.
Wow.
Question mark?
That happened last time. Look.
Yeah, that's when you drove into the guardrail.
Wow.
4 years ago. Oh, Sabi, this battery's dead.
Oh, that's another one.
4 years ago, Subi, this guy right here.
He had no tires.
He drove. It was a day like this actually. It was kind of snowing. We didn't know it was snowing, and
it was snowing, but he didn't know it was snowing. Okay.
Well, we were driving. Okay, all right. We were driving, and it started snowing. How did we gonna know it was gonna snow?
But we didn't know it was snowing. He's lower than me.
Wow,
he really is.
Could be solid.
So yeah, we were driving. It started snowing, and this guy was driving my car, and we drove into a guardrail. Day just like this.
Suck.
Keeps on blaming the road. I just blame the driver.
I think no, you did.
Why isn't this ever focused? Okay. Hey guys.
Why it tells you like 90 degrees and shit. I'm gonna have to like read the menu or something.
There's no menu. There's no menu, bro.
You think this fits on me? I mean, on the car?
On you?
Yeah.
I mean, on the car.
Bro.
Alright, so we got 2 more jacks, stands.
I'll show you guys.
We got an organizer for like the bolts and and stuff.
Best thing I got, wheel chucks.
You got 2 chucks.
Oof.
He's mad happy.
Why'd you buy chucks,
Bro,
Bro, that's what I'm saying. That was very useless.
Chucks makes it like, it looks good in garages. Like, oh wow,
Bro.
I got some chucks.
What?
And like, oh, I got some tubing benders.
We got the tubing bender.
Stay tuned, guys. Some crazy shit coming out.
What it do, baby? The struggle taking out Porsche wheels. So, Subi, you want to tell the fans, well, not the fans, the fam, what we're doing?
Let me show you guys something. What we're doing today. So we decided to bag my 2013 Boxster S. Got the bags a couple days ago. You good, man? We're having some.
You good?
Yeah.
Yo, your cats are right here. We can do a cat.
You're gonna cut that out, bro.
Alright, Subi, so show them what's up. Show them what you're doing.
Currently just trying to figure out this whole craziness here. Trying to take off this bottom bolt, take off the strut. It's kind of easy. As you can see, the top pads right here, guys. So not that bad. Sadly, these sensors don't come with my bag, so I probably got a light about that. So I'll have to figure it out what I can do with that. The front are pretty easy. My guys Jay and Gary already getting that done, but I'm gonna have a nice setup over here. There's the shenanigans up here, guys. Also, these have sensors, so again, there'll be some lights going off on my dash. But we'll figure that out. Crazy.
Alright guys, so we got good news and bad news. We figured out what we have to do. We have to take out a couple of, well, a lot of bolts. A lot of bolts. We gotta take out the trailing arm, the control arm. We have to take out the sway bar. He's taking out the caliper right now. So it's a little bit of work, but since we're already here, might as well get it done right. Since we have to do an alignment all over again anyway. You're just gonna take out the arm so that way we can do what we gotta do. Oh, and the axle has to come out too, so. But sooner or later she'll get done. We'll update you in a few.
Because I thought I was gonna.
Alright guys.
Well, you thought wrong, brother.
So just take out the thing.
Buddy boy.
Focus! There we go. So just an update, we ended up taking out one of the what was it? What arm did we take out, bro? Was that the control arm or was that the ladder arm? I mean the
that was a control arm.
Alright, so we ended up loosening the control arm, taking out the calipers, and we have to take out the axle, and we don't have a 32, so we're on our way to advance, and Gary said he's gonna... As you see, we taken out the brake, and we took out this arm right here. We took out this bolt. Now we just gotta take out the axle, so and then we can go from here. That's what yo,
bro, like I gotta, bro, honestly, I want to see this vlog.
This nut for no reason.
No,
Bro,
we had to take off everything.
I want to see this vlog.
We had to take off. All right, so we had to take off the nut from here. We had to take off all the nuts from the axle. We had to take off this nut plus the height sensor.
You trying to let them see, bro? What you're pointing
Oh,
at?
this is the axle. This, I don't know what arm this is.
It's like a trailing arm.
Yeah, I think this is a trailing arm. This is a toe arm actually. So this is the camber arm, bro. We had to take off the speed sensor nut, and then we had to take off the spindle completely from everything. That's how we got that out. Subi,
I want to see this vlog a year from now and just burn the car.
you still want a Porsche, bro?
Yeah,
You still want a Porsche?
It in for a Fiat or something.
I don't know, man. Bro, honestly, this should be fun. So, we gonna figure it out. All right, now we have the bag in, and we're getting to put it back in there. It shouldn't be that hard though, because now we know what to do, Subi.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta take out the. We gotta take out the rear end. That's it,
You gotta take the whole motor out now.
basically.
Bro, I'm telling you, everything
Subi, sum up this car in 2 words.
Huh?
Sum up this car in 2 words.
Super ass.
Should anybody get a Porsche, bro?
Everybody get a Porsche. I want you to fucking be miserable like me.
Alright. Bag is in. The lines aren't thrown or anything like that, but we have successfully put most of it back together. Where's the other stress out?
It's over there.
Huh?
It's over there.
Huh?
How do we get a haircut, bro? Can you tell?
You want me to stop?
It's quarantine.
Should I
bro.
not? Should I not record you?
No.
Oh.
It's like ASMR right now.
That's the this is the front? Yeah, this is the front. That's the front strut. So we're halfway there. But this is, I ain't gonna lie, this is a lot of work. Don't get a Porsche. So another problem, apparently our top hats are not the right top hats. So we have caster now, right? This is caster adjustability instead of camber adjustability. And we like camber, right?
Facts.
So
I only do positive camber, so I don't know about y'all.
what?
Oh, we know about you.
Can I get a jack? So
Yeah,
I can,
he's that OEM plus guy.
He's the OEM Plus guy. Gary, you like your car's OEM Plus?
OEM plus and all black.
Wow. All right, so we're kind of done for the day, right, Gary?
Bro, I'm beat.
We're just testing.
I ain't even do nothing.
He didn't do nothing. Let's see how much how high we can go, bro.
Oh, the suspense is killing me.
Oh, Dios. Oh!
Oh, she will be on the floor, son. Wow, bro. Hold on, let's close the trunk.
Wow, so you got to go this one, bro.
How you feel about the wheels now, bro?
They're bad.
Not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
Yeah, to start.
To start, right?
You know.
To start. Bro, I feel like it will be laying on the floor. Like, look how much the side skirt is.
Look at the tire, look at the front.
Yeah, but look at the side skirt, bro. Look how low it is.
This will be on the ground. This will fold.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's on another level, bro.
April Fools?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. What you think?
Honestly, bro, it's not bad. I feel like posting on my story. What should I say?
What are you talking about? What are you trying to post?
I think this. I want to post this, bro. You know the.
The what face?
I mean, bro, like
this face?
yeah, like
Let me see.
that's kind of in there, bro.
Oh God. But anyways, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. We'll be back soon. Once we do finish the car, we'll have an official review of the whole car, and then obviously we'll go from there. But till then, we'll see you guys next time. Subi?
Hey guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Boom! Alright. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more of this. Hit us up in the comments. And yeah, nothing but love. Stay safe and healthy during this quarantine too. Alright? We got to make sure that we're killing this as soon as possible because we ain't trying to enjoy car season. You know what I mean? Yeah, stay home. Don't do it like us, alright?